all the turtles. Turtle. There was a person on my excursion in Mexico.
Yeah?
Well, not my excursion, at my dinner table in Mexico. Mm-hmm. And she made the what was it? Master of Disguise quote.
Yes.
And I was just like, can we be friends?
Can we be friends? Oh, look at him. Hi. I don't have any food. Oh, you're big. Look at the pretty markings on his face.
What kind is that? Is that a snapping turtle?
No, that's probably... Might be a redback turtle.
Let's go.
Look how bright their heads are.
That one's a baby.
So yellow.
Oh wait, they have the information right over here. Yeah.
So look, I almost choked on my own spit.
So many things. Oh look, these
Geesies.
goose.
That was the worst attempt. I can do that better.
I'll try. Nope. Oh my gosh.
Goofball.
Alright, see, they're over here.
Hey, here we go.
Turtles most commonly seen are the pond slider.
I think
Has a red stripe on the side of its head, and the painted turtle has a red, orange shell. Okay,
Yeah, the big
so
guy.
this guy then.
Mm-hmm. And then we saw this one was a little one.
So this one is the painted turtle,
Yeah.
and then this one's the pond slider.
Pond slider.
Okay.
Cool. And there's snakes. No, thank you.
There are snakes, but I haven't I've seen only one snake. You know,
Yeah.
only one snake.
Only one. There's enough for me. Do not want. There's so many of them.
There are a lot.
Oh, look at them all leave. They're like, oh, the food's gone now. I'm leaving.
I went here in February, and it was a really nice day. And the turtles are out, and the nature guide lady said that it's unusual to see them
Oh.
in February because they should still be
Oh, in hibernation.
I think. So I mean, like, it was unusual to see the fact that they were all out. Look at them on the edge here.
Uh-huh. Rejected. He was pushed off the edge.
Oh, did he get pushed off the edge?
Yeah.
I didn't see him.
There was like a fourth one on there, and they were like, nope.
Nope.
Ah, look at all the field. It's Kansas, guys. It's
Kansas.
very flat.
I like how they're like, we reseeded the entire prairie. This is nice. Look at the grass.
Yay!
Yay, grass.
Yay, grass.